What can you make with your Glowforge aura? Well, how about a DIY embossing powder holder? I've got a messy drawer, not any longer. What about tracing a watercolored picture of your dog? I went ahead, added it to the aura, let the aura do its thing by tracing it, and bada bang, bada boom, I've got a cool coaster of my dog. If you're a crafter, you might accumulate a lot of blending brushes. So let's create our own blending brush holder. Just add the proof grade material, do the cutting, and there you have it. A nice place to hold all of your blending brushes. Let's make our own sticky note holder. This is super cool. Add your proof grade material, do the engraving, do the cutting, glue it together, and all of a sudden you have a beautiful sticky note holder for yourself and you can make for gifts. And if you're a Harry Potter lover like myself, let's go ahead and make a little journal. Go ahead and engrave right on the front. But wait, let's make a bigger one, because why not? I love Harry Potter doodles, and these are my own doodles. So I simply engraved my own doodles into a leather notebook. What about Harry Potter glasses? Because why not? Just cut, layer, glue, and you've got your own cool Harry Potter glasses. Let's not overthink things. Wait, let's do. This is a shirt totally meant for me because this is what I do. Make a cocktail smoker for your husband. See, the sky's the limit with the Glowforge aura. Grab one for yourself.